Kyle Richards rushed to the hospital after accidentally walking into a beehive. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Kyle Richards was treated at a hospital after she accidentally walked into a beehive and was stung multiple times. Kyle Richards found herself in a scary situation this weekend when she was stung by bees after accidentally walking into their hive on her property. The 52-year-old Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star, who is allergic to their venom, shared security camera footage of the incident and pics of herself being treated in a hospital on her Instagram story on Sunday, July 15. "So this happened yesterday," Kyle wrote. "I walked into a hive of bees and was stung multiple times. If you know me at all, you know I am allergic to bees and am terrified of them. In one of the videos, the reality star is seen running on her patio to an open door while screaming for help. She then pulls a stinger out of her hand and runs around in a circle before jumping in the pool, fully clothed, as her dogs pace and look at her. I can laugh at this video now," Kyle wrote, "but what you can't see is that they were in my hair and were literally chasing me. My family wasn't home and for whatever reason the people that work for me couldn't hear me screaming for help. My landline wouldn't dial 911 and my EPI pen was defective and wouldn't open. On a photo of herself wearing an oxygen mask while lying on a hospital bed, Kylie wrote, "I share this story with you because I sometimes don't bother to take my EPI pen with me. I also don't know why I couldn't get mine to work. It's important to look on YouTube and watch the videos of how to use it. There are different types of EPI pens and they each work differently. But also always call 911 even if you are able to use your EPI pen as they have to use other medications to help breathing etc. Bees sting when they feel threatened or feel their hive or colony is in danger. Moving them typically requires the help of a professional. On her Instagram story, Kyle wrote that she planned on having the bees removed from her property ASAP. She later thanked her local Los Angeles Fire Department and the Encino Hospital Medical Center for treating her and helping her through her panic attack and for repeatedly convincing me there were no more bees in my hair. She also shared a selfie with a group of firefighters who came to check on her the day after the incident. Noting that she still looked like a hot mess with my pool hair and sting marks.